What are the best tips for dust collection in woodworking? Dust collection in woodworking is essential for creating a safe work environment in a workshop. Saws, drills, and other cutting tools will create sawdust that can get into a person's eyes and nasal passages, potentially causing respiratory problems and other medical issues. To start improving dust collection in woodworking, it is important to identify the tools that create a significant amount of sawdust and take note of where that sawdust tends to go during the cutting process. Some tools feature built-in dust collection systems, and a woodworker should take advantage of such systems whenever possible. Adequate ventilation in the workshop space is perhaps the most important step in improving dust collection in woodworking. While an open window is a good start, it may not be sufficient to improve the air quality of the workspace. A window fan, ventilation system, or air transfer system can help improve air quality when a significant amount of cutting is being done. This will not usually reduce the amount of sawdust in the air, but it will allow for the delivery of fresh air when the internal air quality suffers. Many cutting tools such as saws and routers feature built-in capabilities that make dust collection in woodworking possible. The dust collection system usually tacks on an extra charge to the initial purchase price of the tool, but the cost may be well worth the money if it prevents respiratory problems that can mean significant doctor's bills. Take advantage of such dust collection systems whenever possible, even if it means an extra charge. These systems will collect the dust from the blade and cutting surface before it has an opportunity to circulate into the air. Once the sawdust is in the air, it will be exceptionally difficult to collect or eliminate. Examine the current tools in the workshop to see if ways exist to improve dust collection in woodworking. Table saws, for example, are some of the most commonly used tools in a workshop, and they also create a significant amount of dust. Much of that dust shoots downward below the table, so placing a dust collection bin beneath the table can help prevent the spread of the fine particles. This will also make disposal of the particles much easier, which means less sweeping and vacuuming. Invest in a good shop vacuum that can handle the collection of this difficult material, and vacuum regularly, especially after a long session of woodworking. Visit the website. Click below.